Meaning of Ghirardelli.
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 Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli is a surname associated with a chocolate brand that originated in San Francisco in 1852. The company produces mainly premium chocolates, such as chocolate bars, baking chocolate, and chocolate-covered snacks. Their renowned products are made with high-quality cocoa beans, and they are known for their rich and flavorful taste. The brand name has become synonymous with luxury chocolate in America, and the Ghirardelli Chocolate Company has won multiple awards throughout its history for its high-quality products. Overall, Ghirardelli is a well-known chocolate brand that has been pleasing consumers for over a century.